Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Reddit account. So in order to do this, open your Reddit app. You can download it on the Google Play Store or App Store. Now what you're going to do is you're on this page probably. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right corner of our screen right here, and we're going to click on sign up/login. Click on that, and now what we're going to do is you can either continue with a phone number and with your Google account, Apple account, or with an email. I'm going to use an email because that's the easiest. Now what you're going to do is you're going to simply type in your email you want to use in order to create your account. Make sure that you are actually logged into the email, because you will get a verification code to log into your account every time you want to log in, so make sure you have access to your email. Now we're going to of course also add a password. Make sure you have a good password. Doesn't really matter what kind of password, but just make sure you have one that you can remember and that you have written somewhere. Then what you want to do is you want to click on continue, and you don't want to check this, just click on continue. Now we're going to create our username. So our username can be whatever you want. For example, test12345 just like this. And we can now see that this name is not taken yet, so I'm going to take this name. Then click on continue, just like this. And what you're now going to do is you're going to say how you want to identify and all those kind of things. However, you can also just click on skip, and then you don't have to fill all those things in. Now you need to click on some topics you want to follow. You need to have at least one, so make sure you have at least one. For example, I just want to see cute animals. I'm going to click on it and then click on continue. Now you can also create an avatar if you want to. However, if you don't want to, you can simply click on skip. Now it's showing that it's building your home feed, and now we're in the app and we just created our Reddit account. We can now scroll here for all the posts. You can create your own post by clicking on create, of course, and you can see your profile by clicking on your profile picture. So that's how you can create a Reddit account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.